Hi, my name is Anthony Bonanno, and this is my project and portfolio for NPC Item. So let's just get started. Last week we made it so that the giant worm can move, and this week what we did is we can press the spacebar here, and our giant worm will shoot a blob of poison right in front of him. And that's basically it for the functionality. But we'll get into the code and stuff in a little bit, but right now, I have to explain what I did for Trello. I didn't really do anything specific, but my checklist consists of finalizing the item design document, which I will show later, adding the code for the poison to be fired from the giant worm, test the firing and add the adjustments according to the design document, add the color to the poison cloud and fix any bugs with it, and then create a video, which I am doing right now, and explain what the NPC item is and explain everything else. And then we will upload that everything to Full Sail Online. So this is the design document that I have for the poison cloud. That's what this is. It's the poison cloud. It is a projectile that is fired by the giant worm, and it can only be fired by him when he instantiates it. What it does is it poisons the player and does damage. It is an object. It is a sphere object in Unity, and it looks like a circle. This general data is basically what I showed you in Unity. However, the projectile rate of fire is actually 1 every 4 seconds. What I wanted to do instead of pressing the spacebar button was to make it so that he fired automatically, but I do not know how to actually do that. And this is just the description on what the giant worm actually does. What it's used for is hitting the player and keeping them at bay, and it only happens wherever a giant worm exists, and it interacts with the player. It does poison damage as a projectile, and that's basically it, yeah. So let's get into the coding aspect. So right here we have the game object for the poison prefab and the transform for the poison spawn. This poison right here, that's the poison object, and the poison spawn is this empty game object right here. Oops, go have that over in a little bit. So right here is the input for the spacebar. This is where, he should shoot the poison after 4 seconds, but I don't know how to do that. So if we press the spacebar, it does the shoot command, and what the shoot command does is that it gets the poison object and the poison prefab and the poison spawn's position and rotation, and it shoots it out at a speed of 2, and then it destroys that object after 2 seconds. And that's basically it. That's what it does. I hope you enjoyed this video, because